Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with my brother, my G, my farmer, Prohgres, with a song called War. We all know Prohgres for the positive songs, them, the uplifting songs, them. I know how fuck with him now and lick him chip now. So the man drop a song named Murda. Murda, it's an audio. It's not a video, it's an audio. So we're gonna jump in and hear what the G say. We know that Prohgres is very versatile already, so we don't expect nothing but fire from that one. So I'm gonna see what the G say. Let's go, man. I'm excited for this one. Let's go. Be a shot of fire.
Fuck them feel like I can't get dark up.
Darkness.
Spain Town, St. James. Yo. Run up on the men's and a back man a job flat. I'm a knock back, killer contract. And no mad luck is a
How much trouble you, brother? How much trouble you? How much trouble you, dog? Hold on. I know say our dancehall setup is when time summer done and I get onto the Christmas, everybody in a war mode. So I'm taking it progressive in a war mode now, like.
fuck them feel like I can't
Fuck them feel like my G.
Spain Town, St. James.
Hey, God rhythm.
Yo.
Let's go.
Run up on the men's and a back man a job flat. I'm a knock back, killer contract. And no mad luck is
Boombo clad. You're the man run up on them heads grimy. Run up on the men's and a blup killer. Yo, listen, watch
St.
that.
James. Yo. Run up on the men's and a back man a job flat. I'm a knock back, killer contract. And no mad luck is a
The man make you tell us say it's a killer contract. It's a contract him go up and then upon an eagle killing, brother. And an eagle killing thing this, brother. Money now run. Me now go up on the move. Money a fear run. Contract, I'm a job me I do 9 to 5. Let's go. Boy dead.
St. James. Yo. Run up on the men's and a back man a job flat. I'm a knock back, killer contract. And no mad luck is a cold-hearted killer with a chip block. Boy a fling chat, we no chit chat, well a clip ya. No assistance, no resistance, like a 6 pounds from a distance, kill him instant. And no break jam, but the clip ram like a
But man compare. The man say listen, I no break jam but the clip ram. Remember you know say break jam and then party then ram up, you know. Be a student, you know? Yeah. The man say yo, but no, I know that. This a clip a ram differently. This a clip a ram like when you pack barrel and send from fire like
black boy a fling chat, we no chit chat, well a clip ya. No assistance, no resistance, like a 6 pounds from a distance, kill him instant. And no break jam, but the clip ram like a big song, so we play the chick up on the Ingram.
Like a big song, so we play the chick up on the Ingram.
Stand, and no break jam, but the clip ram like a big song, so we play the chick up on the Ingram. Me say a murder. Them no want the way go further. I you borrow the fly on the bird. And the tire your skin a burn. Murder. You borrow fly that I never burn. Watch pussy run.
Mara fly but I never bird. You hear that? Murder. The chorus catchy. Let's listen to the chorus again. The chorus catchy. But remember now, Prohgres like melody in that. That is Prohgres in melody and lyrics in that. Yeah.
Tire your skin a burn. Murder. You borrow fly that I never burn. Watch pussy run. Run go hide now all we find. Your gun the mile. We don't decide your life or mine. Okay.
Him flow change up now. He gone to something different now. Listen to the run go hide, run go hide. Listen what that.
Murder. You borrow fly that I never burn. Watch pussy run. Run go hide now all we find. Your gun the mile. We don't decide your
Run go hide now all we find. The gun the mile. We don't decide. Bomba clot. Go hide. Yo, listen.
Murder. You borrow fly that I never burn.
Ready.
Run go hide now all we find. Your gun the mile. We don't decide your life or mine. Okay, I sing like Miley Cyrus. Couple left skin black like Milo trip.
Okay, I sing like Miley Cyrus. Couple left skin black like Milo. race out everything and them blood clot. War season.
Run go hide now, all we find your gun the mile. We don't decide your life or mine. Chaos sing like Miley Cyrus, couple left skin black like Milo trip. Straight bullseye when rifle bite, then rifle bites. Make your skin divide up.
Remember say bullseye a Prohgres slogan, you know. You see me? So it quite good. So him drop bullseye in a this. It never hard for him though, cause a bullseye, you know, say him hit the target. So once him a sing about them thing that him go find a way for dropping bullseye night, which is creative. I like that.
Straight bullseye when rifle bite, then rifle bites. Make your skin divide up. From a boy rape speed, hold him on time up. From a violate, then pussy your time up. Shut a beat like a rhythm, left it skinny. Them ask how who kill him, I couldn't skill it. Skin divide up. From a boy rape speed, hold him on time up. From a violate, then pussy your time up. Shut a beat like a rhythm, left it skinny. Them ask how who kill him, I couldn't skill it.
Shut a beat like rhythm. Teeth skin. Wait there, man. Wait there to blood clot. Wait. No, wait. Prohgres. If me hear properly. Hold on, man.
Skin divide up. From a boy rape speed, hold him on time up. From a violate, then pussy your time up. Shut a beat like a rhythm, left it skinny. Them ask how who kill him, I couldn't skill it.
Shut a beat like rhythm, left it skinning. Never ask who kill him, I couldn't skill it. Skilly? Yeah, skilly or something? Wait, man. Hold on. Prohgres. Me nah move for you until you tell me what happened. You skilly or something, bro? What skilly do? Skilly bang. Shots fired, sir. Shot has fired. What you gonna do about it? Wait, no man.
Skin divide.
My mind me start the song, you know, me say Prohgres in war mode because remember say after summer, you know, this take on, you know. The whole dance hall just get dark and people are fire shot all about. Mrs. Shantam drop a song where you fire beer shot from beer people. And yo, this is the next one. Shot a fire, name call. This is no Instagram story war. This a war.
From a boy rape speed, hold him on time up. From a violate, then pussy your time up. Shut a beat like a rhythm, left it skinny. Them ask how who kill him, I couldn't skill it. March with the Philippines, keep his scene busy. Say them have gun, but me never see him with it. Yo, send
Bomba clad, them ask who kill him, I couldn't skill it. You tell you I said, boss, skill him no killer. Skill him no body. Yo. Let me see. I think. Hold on.
March with the Philippines, keep his scene busy. Say them have gun, but me never see him with it. Yo, St. James. Me say a murder. Them no want the way I go further. I your marrow they fly on a bird. And the tire your skin a burn. Murder. Your marrow fly that I never burn. Run up on the men's and back man a job flat. I'm a knock back, kill a contract. And no mad luck, he's a cold-hearted killer with a chip clock. Where you fling shot, we no chit chat, pull a clip.
Yo, no, this different, bro. Like Prohgres.
Murder. No more fly that I never burn. Run up on the men's and back man a job flat. I'm a knock back, kill a contract. And no mad luck, he's a cold-hearted killer with a chip clock. Where you fling shot, we no chit chat, pull a clip. No assistance, no resistance. Like his expanse from a distance, kill him instant. And no brick jam, but he clip ram like a big song. So we play the chick up on the end drum. Me say a murder. And no one the way go further.
Murder.
And your marrow they fly on the bird. And the tire your skin a burn. Murder. Your marrow fly that I never burn. Watch out. Pussy run. Run go hide, now all we find. Your gun the mile, we don't decide your life or mine. Chaos sing like Miley Cyrus, couple left skin black like Milo trip.
Yo, this sick dog, this blood clot is sick. War is in the air. War is in the bumbaclaw ear. War is in the air. Tell them better prepare. Prohgres. Brother. Brother. Me know you're versatile. Me know you're bad. But me never expect this though, dog. Me not tell you no lie, bro. Me never expect this a bumbo clot. Never expect this a bumbo clot, dog. Yo, bro. Big up yourself, bro. This Skilly. Yeah. Are you a man attack, man? Are you? A bumbo clot, you Skilly. Yeah, are you? Yeah, man, are you, man? Guys, this is how I'm going to leave down here. Progress, make up yourself, bro. This is how I'm going to leave down here. If you enjoyed that one, I want some more, leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Fuck!